is 4:48. I'm trying to make it for the sunrise. I woke up early and I was like, I want to see the sunrise, so let's go do that. Is it raining? Are you kidding me? Okay, there might be a shot. It's not raining. Just the pool deck was wet. But let's see what it looks like. Okay, so no sunrise today, but there is a cool lighthouse. So I got to see that. I guess I gotta wake up tomorrow for it, but it's literally supposed to be like right there. Dang, bro. Dang. Today we're arriving in Kobe shortly, so it should be fun going to Kyoto one day and then Osaka the next. Let's see how. Oh my god, my shirt's on in backwards. That's so funny. Oh my god. I feel like that's as good as it's gonna get. Okay, not too bad of a sunrise. Okay.
I'm no good at making small talk.
I think I might get up for all of the rest of the sunrise on the boat, because I need to. I forget how special sunrises are, so I'm gonna try to make it a point to wake up early and catch the sunrise wherever we are. I woke up at like 4:52 and it was well worth it, so I'm happy about it. Super exciting. I love a sunrise, especially over the ocean.
Mind if I sit down? Indiana was a long shot.
Okay, so we didn't pre-order at all, but the main guy was like, I'll take care of that. So now we're ordering breakfast. I just hope it doesn't take a while so that we can get off on time.
And I could use another round.
So they brought me a bagel with the salmon on it, and it had cream cheese. And we were like, I can't eat this. It has dairy on it. And he goes, somebody. He was like, yeah. Anyways, it was crazy. Now he's going to get us bananas to sneak off the boat because he feels bad for us.
Informing that the ship has now been cleared by the local authorities and
Okay, we are in Kobe, straight shooting it to the train that will take us to Kyoto, and then we have nothing planned because we didn't think that we were gonna go here, so we're just kind of like freeballing it at this point. So we'll see what we can find. We are walking through this park. These cicadas are so loud. So loud.
No, it's not at all like me.
Got a skate park over there. Basketball. It's such a cool park though. It's interesting to see like what parks look like in other countries. Okay, so we're trying to figure out which train to get on. We don't really know because it's not labeled correctly, and we also can't look on our tickets because it's all in Japanese. So we're just gonna guess and take the one that we think it is. What else can you do? There is a literal mall in the Kyoto train station. Like there's floors of it. It's just like yesterday or the day before. Crazy. place is literally insane. There's so much happening and going on. So many stores. We go that way. I'm literally in heaven right now. This is just, wow. So there's a lot of temples around Kyoto, so we just kind of were staying near the train station, just kind of looking around at all of the temples. Wow. Whoa. This is super cool, but it's also very hot. Molto caldo. At least there's a breeze. So Kyoto is commonly known for more of the traditional style. So we're going to another temple. There's so many temples around here, but like there's only like a few that are like open to the public, I think. And that also we can download for the maps. But yeah, so lots of temples and shrines and old traditional kind of housing and stuff like that. I'm excited. Okay, so we stopped at Lawson. Haley got food. I got the drink with electrolytes because I need it. Because literally you just walk outside and you're just like obliterated by the sun. It's so hot. Temple. This is so cool to see like their culture and their like religion, you know? It's so different. I love watching it. Stealing some Wi-Fi so I can post some shorts. Everything is just so pretty here. It's beautifully made. Okay, game plan, because it's so hot, we're going back to the train station. We're gonna go back to the boat, eat dinner, and then we're probably gonna go to Kobe tonight because our boat is staying over. So we're gonna probably explore Kobe tonight and go to like the Chinatown or something. That kind of stuff to do in Kobe. So that's what it's looking like. It's just so bloody hot to do literally anything. Like it's scorching. Because there's like a few hikes and like, what else was there?
Things that we thought was interesting was hikes.
Yeah, like all the hikes, but it's just too hot for that, so.
And then in Kyoto, everything is very far away from each other.
Yeah, it's very spread out here.
Their buses, or at least the one to get to like the Gold Temple, is literally $30 one way.
Pretty expensive.
And I was like, oh, well, we didn't research, so we're probably doing it wrong, but
yeah,
it's okay.
This was kind of just like an off-the-cuff type thing. But you know what? It's okay. I'm having fun. That was us in Seattle. We love a good diagonal crosswalk. Very useful.
Everywhere should have them.
I agree. This train station is very big. A lot of people, very confusing. So let's hope we pick the right train. Again, we're doing good so far. Knock on wood. The fact that this train station has like a Prada, Louis, Gucci. I mean, in Grand Central, what does Grand Central Station have? A convenience store with overpriced candy bars? I mean, this is just the differences here. But yeah, it's crazy, this train station. So if you ever come to Kyoto, just spend a little time in the train station. Because it's like a whole mall connected to it. Okay. Back on the boat we go. Okay, back on the boat. Haley's going to another floor. I'm going to go take a shower and clean up to go to dinner. Okay, back in the room. Today I got this, which is Casio World Traveler Watch, which is great because it goes with all the theme. I bought a traveler's notebook, and now I bought a traveler's watch. It's like it keeps world time, all kinds of stuff like that. Also, everyone wears like G-Shocks, Casios here anyways, so I'll just fit in, you know? I just had to get one in Japan. I mean, come on. I digress. I'm gonna take a shower, get ready, clean up, because I just feel disgusting right now. Yes. I don't care if it's nerdy. I love it.
So tell me, how was the day?
It was good. We went to Kyoto.
You went to
so
Kyoto?
it was like a
How
long
many?
train
They have
ride.
four.
It was a long.
Dude, this guy is on it. He's like, don't worry, I got them. Leave them, come. And he's like, did you get us or did you eat your little breakfast that we had to sneak you? And we were like, yes. This guy's great. I love this guy. She's sitting there.
It might be lemon.
So he packed us some food so that we could take it onto port, but the thing is that security checks our bags and they're like, what is in this suspicious tinfoil? So, but yeah, I'm about to eat it now though, even though I had dinner. I didn't eat bread so I can eat this. So good.
bye.